Hi there. I just want to show the progress on the last video where I showed off the time traveling feature of a new project I'm working on. Now the project is officially called Cerebral, and you can check that out on GitHub. It's not ready for even alpha yet, but it will be very soon. But let me show you what happens when I use the tool now. So you have your app. I'm just using the To-Dos app here, and you will inject Cerebral into that application. And as long as you're running in development environment, it will put the debugger inside the application for you. And that's what you see on the right side here. So when I go in here and I start changing state, you can see all the signals. We have 8 signals, and we can see what arguments was passed to different mutations. So this is a set mutation on the new to-do title state, and we passed hey hop as state. And as you saw in the last video, we can just go back in time and we see all the mutations, and we see that the interface updates. Now what's really cool is that I've been working on asynchronous signals. So if I go back here now and I hit enter, you see that you cannot use the debugger because it's running an asynchronous function or asynchronous signal. But as that was done, a new to-do was added, and we can see that it was pushing to the to-do state, and here is the argument. We can also see that it actually reset the title of the new to-do title state. It added a visible to-dos array, and so on. What's interesting now is that even though that signal was asynchronous, it was actually talking to the server. When I now travel back in time, it's synchronous. So it actually remembers that this was asynchronous and the result of that asynchronous signal. So you can still do this time traveling even though you have asynchronous code. So yeah, I'm closing in on an alpha release, so I'm really looking forward to that. And please follow me on Twitter and check out the project on GitHub if you want to know more.